Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. Got a little repair job on the go. Communiclock, and it's a talking clock, and it's an RNI, which is Royal National Institute for the Blind clock. It's a talking clock, and the problem is you press it sometimes and it doesn't work, press it again, it works. And basically it needs a new on-off switch, and these are quite easy to work on, and I've actually repaired it, but I'll give you an indication. And on the bottom there's 4 rubber feet, which look like those, and you prise those off, and deep down in the hole here there's 4 Phillips screws, and then you separate the unit. Comes apart like that. Now in the top section you've got a radio aerial, this bit here, and the receiver and the loudspeaker, and the on-off switch is there, this little square thing. That there, you see it, that's it there, and there's a little push button there which you press to get it to work. Now I bought a bag of these mixed switches a while back, and it so happened I had one the right size. Now to get this circuit board out, there's 2 solder joints there, there's one there and one there, and then using a small Phillips screwdriver you remove 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. This allows you to get to the back of the board, and using what's called one of these, it's a bit like a bicycle pump that works in reverse, solder sucker. You suck the solder away from the switch, you replace the switch, and you solder it back in, and it's just reverse process to put it all back together. Now because the switch I've fitted here, it's got a very shallow knob compared to this one, it means that I've had to make up the space, and all I've done is I've just super glued a small nut on the end of the plastic button which pushes on that switch, and I'm now in the process of reassembling it, and then we'll see if it works. Now there we have it back together with the rubber feet back in. There's a switch. You press it once.
The time is 2:50 p.m.
If you press it and hold it.
The time is 2:50 p.m. The time is 2:51 p.m. The date is 19 April 2021, Monday. The time is 2:51 p.m.
It's got a really nice voice to it, and you can set alarms on it and things like that. I would imagine it was quite an expensive talking clock in its time. I think it's I can't remember how old it is, over 10 years I think now, and because this is the button that gets used the most, that's the switch that takes all the hammering, as I say, and you can set it so it talks on the hour and things like that, and that's it. So thanks for watching, please subscribe and like.
The time is 2:51 p.m.